Fold me in your arms, soft and warm it starts. Patchwork dreams in threads, woven tight in hearts. Colors blend and spin, stitch me to your skin. Quilted memories, let our love begin. Cloth of my heart, sewn together, never apart. Threads of our life's art, cloth of my heart. Hold and don't let go, seams of love will grow. Every tear we mend, soft as morning glow. Wrapped in silken ties, binding you and I in this fabric of life, forever side by side. Cloth of my heart, sewn together, never apart. Threads of our life's art, cloth of my heart. Cloth of my heart. Hold and don't let go, seams of love will grow. Every tear we mend, soft as morning glow. Hold me in your arms, soft and warm it starts. Patchwork dreams in threads, woven tight in hearts. Colors blend and spin, stitch me to your skin. Quilted memories, let our love begin. Cloth of my heart, sewn together, never apart. Threads of our life's art, cloth of my heart. Hold and don't let go, seams of love will grow. Every tear we mend, soft as morning glow. Wrapped in silken ties, binding you and I in this fabric of life, forever side by side. Cloth of my heart, sewn together, never apart. Threads of our life's art, cloth of my heart. Cloth of my heart.
Please like and subscribe for more technology videos.
Colors bright and so alive, wrap me up and I survive. Threads of gold and silver too, every stitch reminds me of you. Patterns woven in my mind, each one different yet so kind. Under stars we cut and sew, in this cloth our love will broken trace, patterns obey, never fade. Comfort found in what's handmade. Ties that bind can't come undone. In this cloth we're always one. Oh, the fabric of us feels so right inside us. Weave it together tight, day and night, catching light. Buttons obey, never fade. Comfort found in what's handmade. Ties that bind can't come undone. In this cloth we're always one. Oh, the fabric of us feels so right inside us. Weave it together tight, day and night, catching light. Early morning rise, coffee in my hand, clock is ticking fast, gotta make a stand. Emails never end, meetings every hour. Feel the pressure build, harness every power. Work, work, work it out, out, out. Never gonna slow down. We're on the grind, yeah, we're on the grind. Projects on the walls, deadlines creeping close. Team is working hard, giving up the most. Break room after bright, fuel for weary souls. Together we push through, we're reaching all our goals. Work, work, work it out, out, out. Never gonna slow down. We're on the grind, yeah, we're on the grind. Break room laughter bright, fuel for weary souls. Together we push through, we're reaching all our goals. Work, work, work it out, out, out. Never gonna slow down. We're on the grind, yeah, we're on the grind.
Waking up at dawn again. Sunrise paints the sky so red. Boots are heavy, head is light. Gonna work until the night. Factory floor is loud and coarse. Grease and grime, a second home. Steel machines, they never tire. Human spirit keeps the fire. Toiling hands to make it through. Every day the same old view. Sweat and strain, but heart is true. Toiling hands, I got you. dreams of freedom in the air. One day we'll escape this lair. Till that day we shoulder on, with the strength from dusk to dawn. Lunchtime breaks, a moment's rest. Chat and laugh, forget the stress. Back to work, the time is short. Hardship is our last resort.